In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Node tool in Affinity Designer. The Node tool is the key to fine-tuning shapes and paths with precision, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take a basic object and sculpt it into the form you want. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer and loading the document you're working on. Any canvas size is fine, and this works in both the Designer and Pixel personas, though we'll stay in Designer for vector editing. Make sure you have a shape selected on your canvas. This could be a rectangle, an ellipse, a polygon, or any object you've already drawn. Click it once to select it, and look for the visible outline so you know it's active. If you're working with multiple layers, confirm you've clicked the correct one in the Layers panel so the changes apply where you expect. With the shape selected, right-click directly on it to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad or a single-button mouse, use a two-finger tap or hold the control key while you click. This menu gives you quick access to commands specific to the object you've selected. From that menu, choose Convert to Curves. This is an important step. Parametric shapes like rectangles and stars have special properties, but they don't expose individual points for editing. Converting to curves turns the object into a standard vector path with nodes and handles. After this, you won't use the shape's original sliders like corner count or radii, so make sure the conversion is what you want. Next, activate the Node tool from the toolbar on the left. Its icon looks like a white arrowhead. When you switch to it, you'll see small points appear along your shape, those are the nodes, and many will show handles extending from them. These represent the direction and strength of the curve at each point. Now adjust the shape by working directly with those nodes. Click a node and drag to move it, and watch the contour update in real time. If a node has handles, drag them to change the curve's direction and smoothness. Use the context toolbar to switch a node between smooth and sharp if the corner needs to be crisp or rounded. Holding Shift while dragging can help you constrain movement, and snapping can assist with alignment for clean geometry. You can also marquee select multiple nodes to move a section together, or nudge selected nodes with the arrow keys for precise increments. Take your time, zoom in for accuracy, and remember you can undo any move as you explore. That's it. Open your file, select a shape, convert it to curves, choose the Node tool, and refine every point until the form matches your vision.